Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Clear any fuel or brake lines from the work area. Uninstall the front wheel and fender liner. Step 3. Cut along the bottom of the frame rail in the area covered by the repair kit, removing approximately 1/4 inch of material. Unbolt and remove the brake line bracket if necessary. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section on the rail and seat clamp it in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame kit, then weld all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall the brake line bracket, fender liner, and front wheel. Reinstall any removed fuel or brake lines.